Hello, good morning. Come with me as I go to the Dollar Tree to find a few Easter goodies. Here, I've noticed they have some treat bags with Peeps. They're so cute, but they're only 10 in the bag. And this one, the Happy Easter ones, they have 20 in each. So I decided to get these ones because y'all know I love me a deal. And look how cute these clear Easter baskets are. They're like little vases, I guess, but I'm going to get them because they're so cute. So yeah, let's go. And so next, I see these cute little Easter eggs for little boys. How cute are they? I'm going to grab a pack of these. And then while I'm over there, look what I see. Some more pretty mailers. You guys have to come here to check them out. If you need a quick little envelope to mail some things, grab some tape. Also, I am over in the decorating aisle for the brides. Oh my God, if you were getting married, you need to come to the Dollar Tree and grab you some cool little trinkets. But for me, I just need these little baggies to put my goodies in for my bath stuff. And guys, here, I use these tall, like extreme large tote Ziploc wannabe bags. I don't know what to call them, but they're storage bags and they are amazing. And that's it, guys. I pay for my stuff. We're going to get on out of here, go home, do this haul, and then I will see you guys next time. Thanks for coming along with me, guys. Okay, bye.